Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. In today's video, we will explore 10 powerful life lessons in a clear and simple way. This is not a story. This is a deep explanation of real ideas that can change your thinking and your life. Listen slowly. Think about each sentence. Let's begin. Lesson 1. The power of small actions. Many people believe that success comes from big actions. They think they need to do something great, something extraordinary. But in reality, life is built on small actions. Every day, what you do matters. If you read one page every day, you will finish many books in a year. If you learn 5 new words every day, your vocabulary will grow very fast. Small actions may look weak, but they are powerful over time. The problem is, people do not respect small beginnings. They want fast results. They want immediate success. But real growth is slow. Always remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Doing something small every day is better than doing something big once. Lesson 2. Understanding failure. Failure is something that everyone experiences. No one can avoid it, but many people misunderstand failure. They think failure means they are not good enough. They feel ashamed. They feel weak. But this is not true. Failure is feedback. Failure shows you what does not work. It teaches you how to improve. If you never fail, you never learn deeply. Successful people fail many times. The difference is they do not stop. Instead of asking, why did I fail? Ask, what can I learn from this? This simple change in thinking can change your life. Lesson 3. The value of time. Time is one of the most important things in life. It is more valuable than money. You can lose money and earn it again, but you cannot lose time and get it back. Every day you have 24 hours. How you use these hours will shape your future. Many people waste time without realizing it. They spend hours doing things that do not help them grow. You do not need to be perfect, but you need to be aware. Ask yourself every day, am I using my time in a meaningful way? Even 1 hour of focused work can change your future. Lesson 4. Believe in yourself. Your thoughts are powerful. What you believe about yourself becomes your reality. If you believe you are weak, you will act weak. If you believe you can improve, you will take action. Self belief does not mean you are perfect, it means you trust your ability to grow. Many people wait for confidence before they start, but confidence comes after action, not before. Start fast, confidence will follow. Speak, practice, learn, even if you feel unsure. Lesson 5. Discipline over motivation. Motivation feels good. It gives you energy, but motivation is not stable. Some days you feel motivated, some days you do not. If you depend on motivation, you will be inconsistent. Discipline is different. Discipline means doing what is necessary, even when you do not feel like doing it. It is a habit of action. Discipline creates freedom. When you are disciplined, you control your life. Without discipline, your emotions control you. Lesson 6. Lifelong learning. Learning is not only for school, learning is for life. The world is always changing. New skills are always needed. If you stop learning, you stop growing. Learning does not have to be difficult. You can learn from books, videos, conversations, and experiences. Try to learn something new every day. Lesson 7. The influence of environment. Your environment affects your thoughts, your habits, and your future. If you are surrounded by negativity, you will feel negative. If you are surrounded by positive and hardworking people, you will feel inspired. Environment is not only people, it is also what you watch, what you listen to, and what you read. protect your mind. Lesson 8. Responsibility and control. Many people blame others for their problems. They blame their past, their family, or their situation. But blame does not solve anything. Responsibility is power. When you take responsibility, you stop being a victim. You start being a creator of your life. Lesson 9. The importance of patience. We live in a fast world. Everyone wants quick results, but meaningful success takes time. Learning a language takes time. Building a skill takes time. Growing as a person takes time. If you expect fast results, you will feel frustrated. Be patient with your progress. Trust the process. Slow progress is still progress. Every step matters. Lesson 10. Never giving up. Life is not easy. There will be challenges. There will be moments when you feel tired and discouraged. This is normal. The difference between success and failure is persistence. People who succeed do not give up. They continue even when it is difficult. Do not stop. These lessons are simple, but they are powerful. If you understand them and apply them, your life can change. Do not try to do everything at once. Focus on one lesson at a time. Practice it daily. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.